Hello students. How are you? We hope you all should be good and well. My name is Asim Mushtaq. And I am a professional textile senior merchandiser and marketing manager in Karachi, Pakistan. And apart from it, I am a professional textile trainer who give training to different textile juniors and professionals in regard of textile merchandising. Today we are making this video because we could give you some introduction of textile and could explain you textile benefits. So you could have some idea about this field and you may know textile field benefits. Viewer, I did MBA in 2000 until then I am engaged with textile industry. In this duration I learnt and known a lot about textile field. And practically implements a lot of things in same industry. I have been working in Artistic, Al Karam and Khadi. And did working in textile buying offices and many other more companies. And in these days also associated with big textile group. So viewer, as you all know that, these days social media is involved everywhere. Which is best resource for new generation to learn. So I decided that I should share all my knowledge to all of you. Whatever I learnt, whatever I know in my professional career. And I hope it will be very helpful to all new textile peoples, and even for textile professionals as well. So hope you guys will learn from all of my videos and tutorials. So requesting all of you that please like our videos and subscribe our channel. So all our coming new videos will reach to all of you. Which will make you easy to understand textile field. And it will also helpful to make career in textile field. Knowledge. Viewers, knowledge is key to success. In any field you want to be successful. If you don't have proper knowledge of same field, you can't be successful. So if you want to make career in textile field, so you must have proper knowledge of this field. And if you get this knowledge sitting home, as these days social media and YouTube facilities available everywhere. So many videos and contents are available on social media, so it is best initiative that you should gain knowledge from it. So keep in touch with us, and keep watching all our sharings and get knowledge and learning from it. What is textile? So viewer, when we talked about textile, so it must come in your mind that what textile actually is. And why it is so important in all of our lives. As you all know that textile remains helpful to make our homes beautiful. Make our homes appealing. Like bed sheets, sofa covers, curtains and so many more textiles items which we use in our homes always. The dress we wear, it is also made in textile industry. In same way there are many more products we use daily and these are equally important. And we use all these textile products daily. The dress we wear, it identifies us, make ourselves good looking. In world as many cultures are exists, they all uses textile products. When we talked about textile, so it's mean woven fabric. What is woven fabric? I will explain you in my next videos. And believe me, textile is an ocean. So keep in touch with us in all our videos. So you will become a successful textile expert in this field. Benefits of textile career. Students, there are so many big producer of textile in this world. So many big buyers and retailers are available as well, so you can make a brighter career in this field for sure. And gain many achievements in your life. If you join textile career, so let me explain some benefits of it to all of you. Financial stability. Everyone has dreamed that he should earn a lot, one wish that he should have good career life. And he could fulfill his dreams in life. If you have good performance and dedication in textile field. So in short span of time you can avail a very good financial package in this field. In short span of time you can not only work for a company but you can start your own business as well. And this is very good advantage that you become financially stable in textile field. Multiple career options. You can avail very good multiple career options in textile field. As you can be textile technologist, you can be lecturer. You can be printmaker, you can be retail buyer. You can be production manager. etc. and so many other careers you can make in textile. We will tell you details ahead in same video, in meantime it is enough to describe it now. Innovation, you become very innovative in this field. Innovation is the key. Textile career sharpens a person's mind. While many career options do not offer space for creativity, you become very innovative in textile field. And you have no boundaries of learning and earning. There is no routine job in textile field. In textile, different types of tasks an employee performed, which makes an employee personality and mind very creative. So he can be able to handle different types of situations. So in this scenario you become an innovative person in textile field. Networking, the person who likes to meet new peoples, so textile careers open doors for them to meet different types of peoples and interact with them. So in this way they have strong social network. And this network can be very fruitful for them if they want to establish his/her own setup, so these network of peoples can be very helpful to make own setup and act like an asset for textile peoples. Long-term career, textile career is very long-term career. This is not a small career. You come up with junior level in textile field. Then you become assistant, then you jump to middle management, then you come to management position. And then you move to top position. So it is good long career. And every stage and hierarchy level has separate fruits and perks which employee gets, from which employee can get maximum benefits. Popular careers in textile, some of popular careers in textile which let me tell you, in details I will tell you some other time, but informing you that what kind of jobs normally exists in textile field. You can be sales associate in textile, you can be merchandiser, you can be stylist, public relationship jobs exists in textile, inventory planning, accounts, retail buyer, fashion graphic, you can be textile designer, product developer, technical designer, quality assurance, production management, dyeing management, printing management, finishing management, embroidery, embellishment management, you can do procurement, you can do marketing, you can do sourcing, you can do replenishment, and many more. So there are uncountable career options within textile industry which you can choose and groom yourself to make outstanding career in textile and takes unlimited rewards and pay scale, and you can start your own business or own venture as well. All these careers which we explained you are of international level, from which you can be taking very handsome salary package from company. In fact, sooner or later you can start your own business as well in same industry. Recently so many Pakistani and international brands has launched, like you can see Khadi, Ideas, Junaid Jamshed, Alkaram, and they always in search of quality human resource where you can make your excellent career. So in this way locally or international where you feel better, do job or business. The best benefit of textile industry is employee hardly remain jobless for long, cause so many textile companies are working nationally or internationally. So jobs are always available. So textile persons gets jobs so often, but the condition is you should be textile skilled. You will find difficulty if you don't have proper textile training. So gain textile knowledge and make yourself a skilled person and enjoy rewarding career for sure. In coming period we will share so many knowledgeable videos to all of you, in which you all will learn a lot. So viewer, for textile field if you have any question or query in mind, or you want to learn anything further, you can ask in comments section. We will make our all next videos accordingly. So again asking you to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And press bell icon, and share all our videos to your circle, so all textile peoples will be benefited from it. These are our textile pages links: textile merchandising page, Facebook textile merchandising group, textile merchandising profile, which we have already given in this video description as well. You can like these links, so you will be getting knowledge of textile and textile jobs updates time to time. In all these links we posted different kinds of textile jobs, in which you can apply, and you will be receiving calls from employers, and best wishes and all prayers for you that might apply for those jobs and you could get it as well hopefully. We are very thankful to all of you that you watched our complete video. And hopeful that you might like this video as well. Same kind of knowledgeable videos and lectures we will be posting in our YouTube channel next time, so you may watch and try to learn from it. Hopefully you all will enjoy, and you will learn a lot. And wish you all the best. Thank you.